Welcome to My Profit Diary. I'm here to introduce you to an opportunity which will be thanking me for the next coming years. Why to join MPD? The most important questions comes in your mind would be why should I be joining any company like MPD? What is this for? Here is the explanation. We are an online monthly magazine. We talk about the law of attraction, online money making techniques, and we ourselves are a huge earning platform for you as we give you the best referral plan with the greatest commissions online. No hype, no fake promising. We wish you to chase down your dreams to reality with us. Now, let me introduce you the major topics which we are talking about. The first one being the law of attraction, which says that whatever life you are living now is the result of your past thoughts, and whatever you are going to live will be the based on today's. One saying, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. The greatest discovery of generation is that the human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of the mind. As you think, so shall you be, said by William James. And another saying by Buddha is what we think, we become. We will teach you how to drive yourself to the path of victory. How to earn money online. We will be providing you the scam free techniques to earn money online. We have our own expert panels who dedicate time online and earn huge. We will be introducing you to the real people who are earning huge online. Make money online. Do less work and make more money. This is we call as smart income. Easiest way to earn with us is refer and earn. Just refer us to your friends and family and earn huge commissions from 51% to 71%. As soon as you join us on www.myprofitdiary.com, you will be provided with a referral link, which you have to promote on your social networking sites, and you can also refer your friends through emails. We'll be giving you commissions starting from 51% to 71%. Let me explain you the referral plan. The highest paid commissions ever in India. We pay a minimum of 51% from the very first referral and a maximum of 71%. There is no upper limit to the numbers. You can refer any number of subscribers to us. Just have a look at the table below, which is just showing you your income slab for the referral plans and the number of referrals you are referring to us. For example, let me explain you the first one. For example, if you refer 1 to 25 referrals, you come under the plan which is giving you 51% of commission. And that makes rupees 8,300 as your commission slab. Then for the next one, if you have referred 26 to 50 people, then you will be paying you a 61% flat commission, which makes it 18,228 rupees for this slab. And the third slab is for 51 to n number of people, that will be giving 71% of commission straight to you, and 41,338 rupees is for number of sponsors, number of referrals to be at 100. Now this is what we call as smart income. All you have to do is log into www.myprofitdiary.com. As soon as you log in, this will be the home page. You will have to sign up for free by just clicking up on this button. Now just fill up this form and get yourself registered on www.myprofitdiary.com. Pay your subscription by clicking on this button on your personal dashboard. Now you will have your own dashboard which looks like this. This is the clock showing you the time for the next subscription. You can download your magazine over here just by pushing this button. This is the referral link which is provided to you. This is the account balance which will be increasing as the number of referrals increases. Now just refer your friends using this link of yours. You just have to copy and paste it on your social media networks and you will be getting your referrals. Now the magic begins. Just check your balance and withdraw it. You can check your balance over here and withdraw any amount. There is no minimum withdrawal limit to this thing. Even if you refer one person, you can withdraw your funds right away. Thank you for watching the presentation video. Now just get on your feet and chase down your dreams to reality. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.